वाहे निमाणियों के मान ने ताणियों के डाउत बंधन अनक बार सर्व कला समरथ डोलन तेरा हो प्रभु नानक दय कर मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाहे 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 नवाजना दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाजना दूसर तो सो मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाहे मेरा करो तृण ते मोह मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाहे गरीब नवाज न दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाज न दूसर तो सो मेर करो मेर करो तृण ते मोह जाए गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाए मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाए गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाए मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाए फूल छिमो हमरी प्रभ आपना छिमो हमरी प्रभ फूल छिमो हमरी प्रभ आपना छिमो हमरी प्रभ आपन फूलन हार कहूँ को सो फूलन हार गाँव सो फूल छिमो हमरी प्रभ आपना छिमो हमरी फूल छिमो हमरी प्रभु अपना छिमो हमरी प्रभ आपन फूलन हार कहूँ कहूँ सो फूलन हार कहूँ कहूँ सो मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाए मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाए गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाए मेरा करो तृण ते मोह जाए सेव करी तुमरी तिनके सेव करी तुमरी तिनके सब ही ग्रह देखियत द्रव भरोसो कह देखियत द्रव भरोसो या कल मैं सब काल कृपान के या कल मैं सब काल
कृपान के
या कल मैं सब काल कृपान के कल मैं सब काल
कृपान के
पारी पूजान को पारी भरोसो
पारी पुराण को पारी भरोसो
या कल मैं सब काल कृपान के या कल मैं सब काल या कल मैं सब काल मान के या कल मैं सब काल
कृपान के
पारी पूजान को भारी भरोसो भारी पूजान को भारी भरोसो या कल दसवीं श्री मुखवाक पातशाही दसवीं धन धन साहिब गुरु गोबिंद सिंह पातशाह जी महाराज। मेर करो तृणते मोह जाहे गरीब नवाज न दूसर तो सो भूल चिमो हमारी प्रभ आपन भूलन हार कहूं को मोसो। सेव करी सब ही सेव करी तुम ही तिनके सब ही ग्रह देखियत द्रव्य भरोसो या कल में सब काल कृपान के भारी पुजान को भारी भरोसो या कल में सब काल कृपान के या कल में सब काल
कृपान के
या कल में सब काल कृपान के या कल में सब काल
कृपान के
पारी पूजान को पारी भरोसो पारी पूजान को पारी भरोसो पारी पूजान को पारी भरोसो पारी पूजान को पारी भरोसो। मेर करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे मेर करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे बनवाज ना दूसर कोसो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर कोसो। मेर करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे गरीब नवाज ना दूसर कोसो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर
दोसो
मेरे करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे मेरे करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे। मेर करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो। पाए गहे जब ते तुमरे तब देखो आंतरे नहीं अन राम रही पुराण कुरान अनेक कहे मत एक न मन सिमरत शास्त्र वेद सबे बो भेद कहे हम एक न जान्यो। श्री असमान कृपा तुम्हारी कर मैं न कहो सब तो है बखान्यो। मैं ना कहो सब तो है बखान्यो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो। निर्जुर ने रूप हो के सुंदर स्वरूप हो के निर्जुर ने रूप हो के सुंदर
स्वरूप हो
निर्जुर ने रूप हो के सुंदर
स्वरूप हो
निर्जुर ने रूप हो के सुंदर
स्वरूप हो
के पूपन के पूप हो के दाता महादान हो
बन के
पूप हो के दाता
महादान हो
पूपन के पूप हो के दाता महादान हो पूपन के पूप हो
के दाता महादान हो
प्राण के बचैया दूध पूत के भैया के बचैया दूध पूत के
भैया
उनके बचैया दूध पूत के भैया
के बचैया दूध के भैया
रोग सो के मटैया के दो मानी महामान हो रोग सोग के मटैया के दो मानी महा
मान हो
विद्या के विचार हो कैद अवतार हो कैद के के काल हो के काल हो के जाल हो के काल हो के
काल हो
यौवन के जाल हो के काल हो के काल हो
के जाल हो के
काल हो के
काल हो
यौवन के जाल हो के काल हो के काल हो यौवन के जाल हो के काल हो के काल हो शत्रन के सूल हो के मित्रन के प्राण हो शत्रन के सूल हो के मित्रन के प्राण हो के शत्रन के सूल हो के मित्रन के प्राण हो के शत्रन के सूल हो के मित्रन के प्राण हो के शत्रन के सूल हो के मित्रन के प्राण हो यौवन के जाल हो के काल हो के काल हो के शत्रन के सूल हो के मित्रन के प्राण हो शत्रन के सूल हो के मित्रन के प्राण हो निर्जुर निरूप हो के सुंदर स्वरूप हो के निर्जुर निरूप हो के सुंदर स्वरूप हो के उपन के पूप हो के दाता महादान हो दाता महादान हो निर्जुर निरूप हो के सुंदर स्वरूप हो के उपन के पूप हो के दाता महादान हो मेरे करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो मेरे करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे मेरे करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर
सो
मेरे करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे मेरे करो मेरे करो मेरे करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे मेर करो तृण ते मोहे जाहे गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो गरीब नवाज ना दूसर तो सो Earlier we were listening to Katha and the greatness of the Gurbani of Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Paatshah Maharaj, the greatness of Mool Mantras Abhyas, Mool Mantras Paath, and in its true sense, when we read the Mool Mantra, we read Ik Oankar Satnam Karta Purkh, then we read Nirpaho and Nirvair. In its true sense, Nirvair. Now, Vaheguru doesn't discriminate. It doesn't put us in boxes and says, I like these people and I don't like these people. Gurbani doesn't discriminate. Sarv Sanji Gurbani. Now, the Upadesh is the same for whoever comes to Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Paatshah Maharaj's Sharan, Guru Granth Sahib Ji Paatshah Maharaj's sanctuary. Now, this is a greatness that only Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Paatshah Maharaj has. Why? Because he welcomes all. And he doesn't look at a person and says, okay, he's a Sikh, I'm going to give him more. And the other person is a Muslim, I'm going to give him less. No, the rewards are the same. Whoever loves the Gurbani of Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Paatshah Maharaj, whoever loves the Guru loves them back. So we heard the greatness of the Shabad of Mool Mantar, what it did for someone who wasn't a Sikh but was a Musliman. But Musliman who had Shraddha. Shraddha is the key thing here. The prem, the love is the key thing here. Sometimes we forget to take that main ingredient and put it in our worship of Akal Purkh. साज कहूं सुन लेहो सबे जिन प्रेम कियो तिन ही प्रभ पायो. गल प्रेम दी. सतगुरु पातशाह महाराज always talks about प्रेम. जो तो प्रेम खेलन का जाओ सिर तर तरी गली मेरी आओ इत मार्ग पैर तरी जय सिर दी जय कान ना कीजिए. The प्रेम is really hard to understand and grasp the meaning of it. We were just discussing this as we were coming to commentary in the car, that to actually define pyar as well is difficult. However, the person who shows it towards Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj, regardless of who they are, Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj does bakshish on them. Before you stand in front of Guru Sahib, you are insan, all you are. Guru Pasha Maharaj doesn't look at the label you carry. This particular Shabad Mer Karo Trante Mohijahe Garib Nevaj na Dusar to. So we're talking about Garib Nevaj. Garibanu Nawajda. Someone who will look at a Garib, helpless, and then he will turn them into something wonderful, something great, something so insignificant. Guru Pasha Maharaj will take and then turn them into something great. Like in that story that you heard. This is a Shabad by Tan Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Pasha Maharaj, and is written in Sri Dasamganj Sahib Ji. Guru Pasha Maharaj is saying, Mer karo trinate mohe jahe garib nevaj na dusar to. So how great is Vaheguru? With what plea that you come to Sadhguru Ji with, any plea that you come to Sadhguru Ji with, like I said, regardless of who you are. We may be guilty conscious ourselves and think, yeah, well, I'm not really worthy of it. And think that I don't really deserve this. Quite right, so with the stuff that that we do in our daily lives, they're not worth actually bestowing any kirpa. We don't really deserve it, the stuff that we actually do. But we still come to Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj's door, and we expect Guru Pasha Maharaj to show us mercy and give us what we want. But at the same time, we're not willing to keep our part of the bargain. But Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj is nirvair. In Mool Mantra we read that he's nirvair. He will not look at your organ. He will not look at your organ, the stuff that we have been getting up to. Guru Pasha Maharaj sab kuch janda. Magar Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj will never throw that in our face like people do. You know, when people help you out, they help you out, and then they give you stuff when you need it maybe, but there might come a time when they might throw that back in your face. You know, remember, I'll help you out. But Sadhguru Ji, Vaheguru Maharaj is never like that, will never do that. The organ that we keep, we know, and Sadhguru Ji knows. We don't like telling people, but we know. But Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj is Garib Nivaj, Pool Chimo, Hamri Prab Apan, Poolan Har, Kahun Komo. So Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj is doing Benti, doing Ustad of Akal Purkh Tan Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Pasha Maharaj saying, Mer Karo, Trinate Mohe Jahe, Garib Nivaj, Na Dusra To. So Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj is trying to explain the greatness of Vaheguru. He's a Garib Nivaj. He's there for the weak. Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj is there for the Garib. Garib in terms of wealth, it could be, but also Garib in terms of person who has humility. The true person who's Garib, someone might be really poor and not have any money, not much money, but in terms of humility, they might not have much. They still might have ego, they still might have hankar. The true Garib person is the one who has humility. Having everything and then saying, Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj, none of this belongs to me, it's all yours. सब कुछ तेरा आ, तेरा आ, तेरा जिहड़ा तेरा तेरा करदा आ, सतगुरु जी पातशाह महाराज gives them everything. गरीब निवाज ना दूसर तोसो. We have to become गरीब, we have to become humble in our humility when we come to stand Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji पातशाह महाराज. ठीक है, भूल शिवो हमरी परवे अपन भूलन हार कहूं को मोसो. सतगुरु जी पातशाह महाराज जी सेंट वाहिगुरु. तो वाहिगुरु जी भूलन हार, someone who is forgetful, someone who makes mistake. Who else is there greater than me in terms of making mistakes? Sadhguru Ji Pasha, just like you are, there's no other greater than you who forgives mistakes. At the same time, on the other end of the spectrum, there is no one like me who makes mistakes. It's admitting when you come to Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj's darbar. मेर करो तृण ते मोह जाहे. Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj is such a Garib Nawaz. Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj will bestow such khushiyan on a person that he will turn them to a mer. Mer karo, mer means a mountain. Mer karo trin te. Trin means a kak. Trin means a dried piece of grass, if you like. If you see a piece of grass, dried piece of grass, that's what a trin is. Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj will do bakshish and kirpa. If you imagine our lives, our spiritual lives, our soul, because it is not getting the nourishment that it needs, just like your body needs nourishment to keep going, your soul needs the nourishment of Shabad. Your soul needs the nourishment of Kirtan, of Path, of Seva. This is what your soul needs. What we actually do, we may feed our body, but we starve our soul. We don't really care for it. And if you imagine that soul has become like that dried piece of grass, and what Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj does, he will turn with his kirpa. If we go before Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj, he will turn that piece of grass to Mer Sadhguru, a mountain. A mountain is a chal. No one can move a mountain because a mountain is that strong. Your soul will become like a mountain and will be unmoved in this world. Day in, day out, the reason why we fall, the reason why we make these mistakes, but because our mind and body, our soul hasn't become like the mountain. Any little greed, any little lust, and your soul or your mind, it's selling out for such little things. Your mind sells out and moves, doesn't stay in one place. It's supposed to stay in front of Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj, always thinking of Vaheguru, but it moves. But Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj will turn that. Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj will turn that dried piece of grass to Mer, to a mountain. Mer karo trin te mohe jahe, Garib Nawaz na dusra to. So Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj, there is no one like you. There's none other Garib Nawaz than you. Pulan har kahun ko mos. At the same time, Sadhguru Ji, mere varga pulan har koi nahi. तेरे वर्गा बख्शण हार कोई नहीं, मेरे वर्गा भुलन हार कोई नहीं. Sadhguru Ji Pasha Maharaj is explaining in this shabad, Mer karo trin te mohe jahe, Garib Nawaz na dusra to. So come to Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj. This point has been emphasized and made already, that for us, for anyone, to be honest, for anyone, if there is a place where we could get liberation, and you know what liberation really means, that all the ties that we're tied down with, physically, mentally, emotionally, all those ties are broken and you're liberated while still being alive. And there's a way you can do that. And the only way you can do that when you come to Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj's sanctuary now. And only Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj, I may stress this point. Like Bhai Sahib Sukhraj Singh Ji mentioned and said, everyone else is respectable in their own right, but for us, for a God's sake, the only place for us where this head should bow in front of his Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj. Why? Because Guru Gobind Singh Ji Pasha Maharaj told us. We read the Dohra. Adon Sadh Sangat Ji is aware of the Dohra we read. Having read the Dohra, which Dohra I am talking about, आज्ञा पही अकाल की तभे चलायो पंथ सब सिखन को हुक्म है गुरु मान्यो ग्रंथ. This is the Dohra we put. People that I know in my circle, and I'm sure in every family or your relationship or your rishtedar, whatever, someone, they all come to Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj and bow their heads to Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj. They read the Dohra one. As soon as they're out, someone else says, oh yes, there is this guy who's come, is this Deri Ala, and he is quite good. My neighbor didn't have a kid. This guy, he done some mantar, whatever, and now they've got a kid. You hear these stories of people. Most of the time, it's made up. Why? Because those people work for these people. It's called marketing. You have to understand marketing. This is how the world works. But we are so fickle. But in our mat, we are so stupid that we believe in something that we want to believe in. Tan Sri Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj, why you want to be so stupid? You're not here to become a murak. You're here to elevate your thinking. Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj. If Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha, Guru Gobind Singh Ji Pasha Maharaj can come before Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj and bow his head, then what gives us the right to take the same head and then bow it before someone else? Nahi. Mer karo tran te mohe jahe, gareeb niwaj na dusra to. So Tan Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Pasha Maharaj is giving us this message that in our lives we are full of mistakes and we will always be full of mistakes. But one thing, there is some light at the end of the tunnel, and that is Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj and the Shabad and Gurbani. The person who learns the Shabad of Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib, the person who learns the Mool Mantar, does the Abhyas of Mool Mantar. If nothing else we could do, at least we could do Mool Mantar, the Jap, Bani Padni. Then Tan Guru Gobind Singh Ji Pasha Maharaj is saying that Akal Purkh will turn that soul that is at the moment is like a dried piece of grass, will turn that into a mountain. That's the Samratha capability of Akal Purkh and much more. So to focus our minds on Akal Purkh, on the Shabad, is important in our lives. If we don't have Shabad in our life in the form of doing some part, then we have nothing in our lives. If we don't have Bhakti in our life, we have nothing in our lives. We may have money, we may have a family, we may have cars and houses, we may have all these things, but if we don't have the Shabad of Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji in our lives, then we have nothing in our lives. So to take away is the Shabad of Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj. We have about 5 minutes before the time is up. Carrying on with singing praises of Vaheguru. Ko har saman nahi raja, e bhupat sab divs char ke jhoothe. Jhoothe kartve raja. Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Maharaj will bless us and hopefully will give us the realization where we need to focus. And once we obtain that realization from Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, then perhaps in our lives we can have some sort of progression when it comes to what is important. This body is not important, what you see is not important. What's important is what's inside of it. Because this thing will cease to exist and they will actually take this thing we call a living thing, a body, they will take it in a box one day, and then what they will do, they will cremate it. There will be nothing left but the thing that's inside, that thing that matters, that can't be destroyed. That's the real focus. Where is that going? We know where this body is going. There's no two ways about this. We know where this body is going. There's nothing we could do to change that. But there is something we can do to change where what's inside, where that goes. And for us, if we have Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Marda Shabad with us, then this is what will take us to Akal Purkh Waheguru. If we don't, then the future for us, what holds for us, for this soul, is not a bright one. So Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Pasha Marda Ji Kirpa Karan, do a Shabad, Ko Har Saman Nahi Raja. Ko har saman nahi raja. There's no other king. Rajan mein Rajan Raj, Pahanan Pahan, Devan Dev Upma Mahan. There's no other king like my Satguru, like Vaheguru. E Bhupat, Sab Divas Char ke Jhoothe Kart Devaja. Everyone else, Satguru Pasha Mara ke Jhoothe hai. People who claim to take the place of your Guru, Satguru Pasha Maharaj कहते भूपत सब दिवस चार के झूठे करत देवाज. आओ सतगुरु जी पातशाह महाराज पावन शब्द. को हर समान नहीं राजा, हर समान नहीं राजा, को हर समान नहीं राजा, हर समान नहीं राजा, हर समान नहीं राजा, तो हर समान नहीं राजा, हर समान नहीं राजा, हर समान नहीं राजा, को दिवस चार के झूठे करत देवाजा, झूठे करत देवाजा, झूठे करत देवाजा, झूठे करत देवाजा, समान नहीं राजा, हर 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 समान नहीं राजा. तेरो जन होए सोए कत पवन पर छाजा, तीन पवन पर छाजा, हाथ पसार सकै को जन को, हाथ पसार सकै को जन को, बोल सकै ना अंदाजा, बोल सकै ना अंदाजा. चेत अचेत मूड मन मेरे, चेत अचेत सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
जी सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
जी सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
जी सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
जी सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु
जी सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम
वाहेगुरु
सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु सतनाम वाहेगुरु चेत अचेत मूड मन मेरा चेत मूड मन मेरा बाजे अनहद बाजा बाजे अनहद बाजा कहे कबीर संसार ब्रह्म चुपो ध्रुव प्रहलाद ने वाजा ध्रुव प्रहलाद ने वाजा ध्रुव प्रहलाद ने वाजा ओ हर समान नहीं राजा ओ हर समान नहीं राजा धन श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी धन श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी धन श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी धन श्री गुरु ग्रंथ
साहिब जी
धन श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी धन श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी धन श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी धन श्री
गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी
ओ हर समान नहीं राजा 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 हर समान
नहीं राजा
को हर समान नहीं राजा को हर समान को हर समान को हर समान नहीं राजा सिखों शब्द प्यारों जन्म मरण कीटे मुख उजल सदा सुखी नानक सिमरत के गुरपुराज न सिमरिया सेई भैन हाल नानक नाम आराधना कारज आवे दास राम करी भला